follow sa ubang artist nga ako po mga kanang idol. Yung akong gamit is Bolton yun.
Time kay Errol Velos is student. Skate sa akong tira. Medium kay kanang Hi, I am Van. I work here in Cebu for 8 months now, a non-profit organization. I found out about Urban Sketchers kasi follower ako ng Urban Sketchers from different countries. Tapos, when I tried to search, meron pala dito sa Cebu, so I tried join. I like watercolor.
I'm Kent Lawrence Aban, and I'm this architecture student. Then I was into urban sketching before pandemic, and then proceed ko into oil, then karon ibalik ko to practice. Yung ako is watercolor.
Hello everyone, I'm Carl Flores and I'm a student, and nag-iba ako sa urban sketcher is because of Facebook. Girefer ko sa Angel, and ang medium na akong gigamit is graphite.
Hi, I'm John Carl Andreo. I am a student, and ang pagkahibaw na ko aning urban sketchers kay from a friend. Ang medium ako gigamit kay lapis. I'm Victoria Isabel de Sumafranca, and my medium is lapis. I'm a student enrolled in college, and I knew urban sketches from a friend.
Hi, I'm Karen Claire, and I'm a freshman for architecture. I will take this as a practice or concept for Canning College. It's my sketch. I use first watercolor. So, ang use kay ako